Welcome to WebStylePress. If you are new here, consider subscribing and hit bell icon. In this tutorial, we will learn how to use npm init to create package.json file, how to use npm. npm can install packages or modules from npm registry. We will learn how to install and remove modules, how to update modules, how to manage dependencies in package.json file, what is local and global module, what are dependencies and dev dependencies, how to view installed modules, how package versioning works, how to create custom npm scripts, and all about package.json file. Package.json is the most important file in a project. It has got executable commands in scripts section. It has got project dependencies. Without package.json, an app won't work. npm is used to manage project dependencies. Project depends on dependencies, and dev dependencies are for only development environment. Dev dependencies help developer in local environment. When you install Node.js, npm comes with it. It's better to install Node.js by using Node version manager called as nvm so that you can switch between Node.js versions. Usually you do not need to create package.json file. Developers use boilerplates to start with. That has already got package.json file. If you are starting from scratch, building an app by adding dependencies yourself, then you will create a package.json file. Here is how we create a package.json file by using npm. First of all, let me show you how I confirm that I have got Node.js and npm installed in my operating system. I am using Git for Windows and Git Bash as terminal. You can download Git for Windows from this website. In this folder, I am selecting Git Bash here from right click menu. This will allow me to open terminal or Git Bash in this folder. Let's check node and npm. Node-v, npm-v. So Node.js and npm are installed. If you want to install Node.js, proceed to Node.js website, download Node.js LTS version and install it. To create a package.json file by using npm, shortest way is to bypass initial questions that npm asks. Command is npm init -y, and this package.json was created. You can change this package.json file according to your need, but let's create package.json file step by step. Clear. Use this command npm init. Init stands for initialization, or to start something. Now this utility will ask few common questions from you to create package.json file. First one is package name. It is suggesting source, that is folder's name. Do not use spaces in name and do not use common name. This name should be unique. This is your app name. Let's use first app. Enter, and this is the version. Use version 1.0.0. App version is very important. If you publish your app, you cannot update it by not caring about version. Your updated version will have next version number of your choice before you publish it over older version. And there are 3 numbers in version for a reason. Rightmost number update means patch release. Update in number that is in the center indicates new feature release without breaking older version. And leftmost number update indicates breaking changes in app or it's the major release. Let's use this version. Enter. Choose description of your app. My first app. And this is entry point. Entry point is the first file in your app. It is the index file. If it's a JavaScript app, it will be a JavaScript file. So here it will be index.js. Just use enter. Test command is the default first command. Its name will be test. Let's choose node index.js. We plan to run index.js by node. You can run this command later on by using npm run test in your terminal. So enter git repository. You can select git repo URL here where this app will be pushed at GitHub. I'm just pressing enter. Here you can specify keywords related to your app. Enter. You can use your name as author. Enter. License ISC is fine. You can use MIT, ISC, or depending on your need. Now it is displaying this information and asking whether if it's okay. Press enter and this package.json file was created. Let's see what's inside. As we specified, name for our app is first app and this is the version and description. Main is our first file in our app, that is index.js, and this is scripts area. Here we can specify scripts and this is script with the name test. Let's use go here. Let's create this index.js file. Console.log hello WebStylePress this is index file. From index file. Now we can run this file. Clear node index.js, and as you can see this message was printed here. We executed this file by using node, but we have got this command go here that has got this command node index.js inside it. We can use this command as well, like npm run go, and this is the message again. So by using npm run, you can use command specified in scripts to execute something. Basically npm is running go command, and go command is telling node.js to run index.js. This is how you create a package.json file with basic structure. There is a lot more interesting stuff that follows it. Package.json file also lists project dependencies. Dependencies are packages that you can install or uninstall from your app. You can install packages as dev dependencies or production dependencies. Dev dependencies are needed during development, while dependencies are actual packages that are needed in production environment. When you will publish your app, it will need dependencies to run, but not dev dependencies. Let's install a dependency. npm install moment. Moment was installed as a dependency, as you can see here. Let's install a dev dependency. By using dash dash save dash dev flag, you will install dev dependency. So this is our dev dependency installed. This dependency is a package. You can use this package. You can use this package in your file like this. You can call a module by requiring it in Node.js. This is Node.js, not React.js. In React.js, you can import export modules, but in Node.js, we require for now, although they might add support for import and export later on. To use moment package, we can use it like this. Const moment and then require moment. Console.log, and now we will use this const that we created, moment dot format, save. Now we can run this file again by typing npm run go, and as you can see this output here. So we just used moment package, and inside our source, as we installed packages, this node underscore module folder was generated, and inside it we have got moment and Bootstrap. Usually you require modules with the same name that was used to install it, and folder with the same name will be present in node underscore modules. Back to our package.json. Here is something important that I want to convey. Let's talk about package version. In our dependencies, I have got this moment package, and this is the version for this package, and this is some kind of symbol. Let's talk about this version. Package version is very important. Usually your app will keep same package versions. There are 3 numbers in version for a reason. In version number, if this number, rightmost number, changes, it means minor fixes, bug fixes, or patch has been released. If number in the center changes, it means fixes and some updates but not breaking changes. It may also include new features but not breaking changes to the previous version. And if leftmost number changes, it means the package has changed a lot and new version has got breaking changes. It's major release. So be careful when you update package versions. In fact, this symbol takes care of the update. This symbol is also very important. It tells npm to install specific version if package has been updated. These symbols can be caret, can be tilde, or it can be static, or it can be just the version without symbol. Caret symbol means to install latest minor version. So if the patch is released, or a new version has got bug fixes, and or new feature has been introduced, then install the new version. Caret symbol means install new version if these two numbers have changed, but not this. Caret symbol means install latest minor version. That can include change in this number and this number, but not this. And tilde here means to install only patch only if this has been updated, not the minor or major. You can define static here. That means install absolutely latest version of package including patch, minor and major version. This is not a good idea because newer versions may have breaking changes that can break your app. If we remove this symbol from package version, when we reinstall packages, exact package version will be installed, no matter what, even if latest version has been released. This exact version will be installed. So it is better to stick with caret symbol to avoid crashing your app. We have installed two packages or modules. This is how you uninstall a package. Npm Uninstall Bootstrap. And as you can see, Bootstrap was removed. Npm install Bootstrap. And now Bootstrap was added in dependencies, not dev dependencies. Npm install local tunnel dash save dash dev. Enter. And now local tunnel will be installed in dev dependencies. You can also name multiple modules or packages in same line separated by space. Multiple packages can be installed in one go. Like if you want to install these three packages can be installed in one go. This is our node modules folder, and as you can see, we only installed three packages. These three packages, but there is a lot more in node modules folder. These are package dependencies. A package can have its own dependencies. When a package is installed, it brings its own dependencies as well. We have installed modules. These were local modules. These are linked within our app. There are also global modules. Install a module locally if you are going to require it in your app, or if you want to import or export it in your app. Install a module globally if you are going to run it on the command line. While generating React.js boilerplate, if we are not using npx, we install create react app globally to use it. Create react app is not installed in our app. Create react app generates our app, that is React.js boilerplate. That is difference between local and global modules. npm is a global module. Let me show you how many global modules I have installed. To view list of packages installed globally, we use npm list-g. This is full list of packages including their dependencies, and it's not readable. We can view only main packages installed globally by using this command npm list -g depth 0. These are global modules installed for me, and these are not part of my app. As you can see, create React app, ESLint, JSON server, local tunnel, nodemon, npm, TypeScript, yarn. These are global modules, and these are local modules. So we know npm install installs a package, and npm uninstall and then package name uninstalls that package from our app, as you can see here. Let's remove node modules folder. And the command is rm-rf node_modules, that is folder name. Enter. And as you can see, node modules folder was removed, but packages information is not lost. Package information is in the package.json file. We had these two modules installed. Remember one thing, do not share node modules folder. Do not push node modules folder to GitHub. It has got a huge size and it is not shared with others. We use special file named as gitignore.gitignore with the rule inside it to ignore node modules folder. Node module folders is not uploaded or shared. So this .gitignore file has got a rule. And this rule prevents it to get uploaded at GitHub. Now you can bring back lost packages. We can reinstall packages easily. And for that, we have command npm I or npm install. This command will scan package.json file for dependencies and bring them from npm registry. You will have node modules folder again, as you can see here. So don't worry about node modules folder. And if you see inside it, it has got Bootstrap and Moment packages that were present in package.json file. Now that we know what is command to remove packages, it's a useful command. Let's add this command in our scripts. Comma after first command, and this is our second command. Remove modules, remove node modules, or just modules is fine. And command for that is rm-rf node_modules/ and then let's add another command, install modules, and for that npm I. Now we have got three commands inside our scripts object. Let's remove and bring back node modules folder again, but by using these commands. Npm run remove modules, and node modules is gone. Npm run install modules. And node modules folder is back with our packages. Clear. This is how you can add, remove packages or project dependencies. And this is how you can create custom commands. You can also run commands in parallel. Let's explore more npm commands. Packages get upgrades. Older packages get vulnerable. So it's necessary to keep packages updated. Let's run an audit. Npm Audit is command, and it will run audit and will see if there are any vulnerabilities in our packages, and it will provide an audit security report. Found 0 vulnerabilities. If there are security issues, you can run this command npm audit fix. This will fix security issues from packages. Clear. And then there is npm prune command. This command will remove unused packages from node modules to save space. You can clean cache by using npm cache clean with force flag. I sure hope you know what you are doing. Yes, I know what I'm doing. So it will clean the cache, and then you can check for outdated packages by using npm outdated. We just installed the latest packages, so there are no outdated packages, so there's nothing to show. If you want to update npm to the latest version, you can use this command npm I or npm install npm @ latest with flag G. It will install latest npm as a global dependency. Usually a typical app contains src folder and a dist folder, and we can create folders and manage app folder structure as we like. Again, you don't need to share dist folder and node modules folder with others, or you don't need to push these to GitHub. Also, for most apps, index.js file is kept in src folder. So this was a brief introduction of npm and package.json. You can read more about these from official docs of npm.js. As you can see, these are CLI commands and all about package.json and scripts. Once you start using it, it is very easy. I hope you liked this video. If I missed anything, comment down below. If you haven't already subscribed, subscribe to this channel and hit bell icon to receive updates. Join us on social media. Stay tuned for more updates. I will see you in the next video.